Good morning to you folks there at Joe's Plumbing. This is Melissa, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would she be doing this and what's in it for her? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who an expert is and who an expert isn't. I have found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those businesses still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Melissa, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take what I've shown you and tackle it for yourself, well, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to show you is content. You need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 500 to 600 here. As you can see, I'm on your website here. If we pop over to one of your competitors, Good Plumbing, they are under that 1,500 mark as well, but I can show you here in a few seconds why they are still outranking you. The same with Plumbing, they're under that 1,500 mark as well. They're about 750 to 800. Again, I'm going to show you why they're outranking you. And Rescue Plumbing, they're about on par with that 1,500 here. So that's one of the reasons they're outranking you, and I can show you the rest here in just a few seconds. Every month, people are searching for plumbers in Chicago 400 times, and emergency plumbers 1,900 times. So that's a lot of calls you're missing out on by not being number one, as you can see here. And that brings us to our next visible section. It's the second important thing I want to talk to you about, and we call this the Google Map Pack, or the maps. And on these results we can see the business name, address, and phone number. This is also known as maps. So now you're asking, hey Melissa, how do I rank in maps? Well, to answer your question, we go over here to another resource that I use. It's called whitespark.ca. It's about $30 to $70 a month based on your plan. But we can see that your site has about 17 citations here. If we go down to Rescue Plumbing, they have 41. Good Plumbing has 16, so you're right on par with them. And Plumbing is 39. It's a beatable area in which you can conquer your competition. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. We'll go click on one of these, and that's all you do is you click on where their citations are, and you go see the ones that they have that you don't, and you start grabbing them for yourself. You start putting in your business name, your address, your phone number, exactly as it appears on Google. So very easy to do. They're all laid out right here, waiting for you just to submit and get them as your own. And the third thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. Now you can see that we searched for Chicago area plumbers and that your site is not number one. And this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. This link juice that you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a plumbing site linking to you, that would be more effective than, say, Pizza Hut linking to you because, well, you don't sling pizzas for a living. So we plugged your site into this other tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and you can see here you only have 23 backlinks pointing to your back to your website, and that's just a little bit of link juice. If we go over here to Rescue Plumbing, they have 831 backlinks, so a lot stronger. This is why they are outranking you on Google. Same with Plumbing, they have 1.2 thousand backlinks. And if we pop over here to Good Plumbing, they have 1.4 thousand backlinks. Now this is very beatable for you with a little bit of time. You just go in here, you click on where their backlinks are, and you just start grabbing them for yourselves and get them pointing back to your site as well. So once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat the competition by a landslide. And link juice. You need more relative sites pointing to you to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. And now I bet you're wondering what's next. Well, you can either go with this information that I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. Or if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 563-551-6354. That's the office number, or 309-235-9255. That's my cell number. And once again, my name is Melissa. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you.